So one of the ways that I was thinking about, a simpler way to institute remote gun locks that you could put on the trigger so that it can't be pulled for a firearm if someone's a danger to themselves, someone else, or to someone's property, or such that they're having some kind of mental health breakdown, or someone calls 911 or something like that, is you could essentially remotely lock the gun in the middle or prior to a school shooting, for instance. Or you could activate the lock until someone is again safe